It is said that when it comes to AI, prevention is better than algorithmic cure. OpenAI understands this, and they are on course to do the so-called prevention. If you are a movie fan, you must have watched the movie Ex Machina.
The next few days, you're going to be the human component in the Turing test.
One day the AIs are going to look back on us the same way we look at fossils.
Hello?
In the movie, a brilliant computer programmer is selected to participate in a groundbreaking experiment involving an advanced AI robot named Ava. As the story unfolds, Ava's capabilities gradually surpass those of humans, leading to complex ethical dilemmas and raising questions about the future of AI. While Ex Machina is a work of fiction, it serves as a reminder of the ongoing advancements in AI and the possibility of artificial intelligence systems surpassing human-level intelligence as discussed in the current projections by OpenAI and other researchers. We wanted to play gods and thought we found a shortcut through this technology, but boy, did we open Pandora's box. Now we're stuck dealing with what we created, like a tech version of Be Careful What You Wish For. OpenAI has seen the danger of superintelligent systems that they have decided to form a new team under the leadership of Ilya Sutskever, the company's chief scientist and one of its co-founders. The primary objective of this team is to explore methods for controlling and managing superintelligent artificial intelligence systems. Welcome, tech aficionados, to yet another episode of Tech Tales. Today we explore why OpenAI is forming a new team to bring superintelligent AI under control. Don't miss a bit. Hit the subscribe button and let's get started. In a recently published blog post, Sutskever and Jan Leak, a key member of OpenAI's alignment team, project that within the next 10 years we may witness the emergence of AI systems surpassing human-level intelligence. However, they caution that such AI, if and when it does come into existence, may not necessarily be inherently benevolent. Consequently, they emphasize the need for research into strategies to govern and constrain such systems. In their statement, they acknowledge the current absence of a solution to effectively steer and control the potentially superintelligent AI, thereby preventing it from deviating from its intended objectives. They highlight that our existing methods of aligning artificial intelligence, such as reinforcement learning with human feedback, heavily rely on human supervision. However, they express concerns about the limitations of human oversight when dealing with artificial intelligence systems that surpass human intelligence. To make significant progress in the field of superintelligence alignment, OpenAI is establishing a new superalignment team, which will be led by both Sutskever and Leak. This team will be granted access to 20% of the company's computational resources acquired thus far, comprised of scientists and engineers from OpenAI's previous alignment division, as well as researchers from other departments within the organization. The team will dedicate the next 4 years to addressing the fundamental technical hurdles involved in effectively controlling superintelligent AI. The devil is in the details. The approach proposed by Sutskever and Leak involves the development of a human-level automated alignment researcher. Their primary objective is to train AI systems by leveraging human feedback. Additionally, they aim to train AI to assist in the evaluation of other AI systems and, ultimately, to construct artificial intelligence that can actively contribute to alignment research. In this context, alignment research pertains to the task of ensuring that AI systems achieve desired outcomes and remain on track, without deviating from their intended objectives. OpenAI hypothesizes that AI has the potential to outpace humans in making faster and more effective progress in alignment research. Previously, Leak, Schulman, and Wu expressed the notion that as advancements are made in this field, AI systems can progressively assume a greater role in alignment work. They speculated that these AI systems could conceive, implement, study, and develop improved alignment techniques beyond our current capabilities. Collaboration between AI systems and human researchers would be vital to ensure that subsequent AI iterations remain aligned with human values. As a result, human researchers would shift their focus towards reviewing alignment research conducted by artificial intelligence systems rather than solely generating new research themselves. There's more than one way to skin a cat. Let's name our cat AI in this case. However, it is important to acknowledge that no method is foolproof. Leak, Schulman, and Wu acknowledge in their posts the various limitations associated with OpenAI's approach. Utilizing AI for evaluation runs the risk of amplifying inconsistencies, biases, or vulnerabilities present in the AI itself. Additionally, they recognize the possibility that the most challenging aspects of the alignment problem may not necessarily be rooted in engineering alone. However, Sutskever and Leak maintain that the endeavor is worth pursuing. They assert that the challenge of superintelligence alignment fundamentally lies within the realm of machine learning. They believe that the expertise of exceptional machine learning professionals, even if they are not currently engaged in alignment research, will play a crucial role in solving this problem. What are your thoughts on the potential emergence of superintelligent AI systems and the efforts of OpenAI to address the challenges of alignment and control? Share your views in the comments below. If you enjoyed this episode of Tech Tales and want to stay updated on the latest developments in the world of AI, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join our community of tech enthusiasts and be part of the conversation. Until next time, stay curious.